Sai Ram student, welcome to another session of GK. Today we will start our new lesson number 5, diseases and the organs affected by them. Now let us start question answer session. Name the organs affected by the following diseases. First disease pneumonia and affected organ lungs. Pneumonia is an infection of the lungs that may be caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. The infection causes the lungs air sacs to become inflamed and fill up with fluid or pus. That can make it hard for the oxygen you breathe in to get into your bloodstream. Next disease, trachoma, affected organ eyes. Trachoma is a bacterial infection that affects your eyes. It caused by the bacterium Chlamydia trachomatis. Trachoma is contagious, spreading through contact with the eyes, eyelids and nose or throat secretion of infected people. Next disease, eczema, affected organ skin. Eczema causes the immune system to send inflammatory signals to the surface, which can lead to itching and rashes. Even when skin looks clear, inflammation is still active under the skin. Next disease, jaundice, affected organ liver. Jaundice is often a sign of a problem with liver, gallbladder or pancreas. Jaundice can occur when too much of an orange-yellow pigment builds up in the body. Our eyes become yellow during this period. Next disease, typhoid, affected organ whole body. Typhoid fever is a bacterial infection that can spread throughout the body, affecting many organs. It is usually spread through contaminated food or water. Common symptoms of typhoid fever include a high temperature that can reach 39 to 40 degrees Celsius, stomach pain, headache, constipation or diarrhea. Some patients may have a rash. Next disease, rickets, affected organ bones. Rickets is a bone disease that affects infants and young children. The child's growing bones fail to develop properly due to a lack of vitamin D. This can result in soft and weakened bones, fractures, bone and muscle pain, and bony deformities. Sources of vitamin D are sunlight. Your skin produces vitamin D when it is exposed to the sun, and we get most of our vitamin D this way. Next disease, goiter, affected organ thyroid glands. Goiter describes a condition where the thyroid gland located in the neck becomes enlarged. In developed countries, goiter is usually caused by an autoimmune disease. Goiter is usually diagnosed by physical examination, but thyroid function, blood tests, and scans may be used. Next disease, atherosclerosis, affected organ artery. Atherosclerosis can affect any artery in the body, including arteries in the heart, brain, arms, legs, pelvis, and kidneys. As a result, different diseases may develop based on which arteries are affected. Neck disease, tonsil, affected organ, throat. Tonsils are the two lymph nodes located on each side of the back of your throat. They function as a defense mechanism and help prevent your body from getting an infection. When tonsils become infected, the condition is called tonsillitis. Next organ, next disease, nephritis. Affected organ, kidney. Nephritis is a condition in which the nephrons, the functional units of the kidneys, become inflamed. This inflammation, which is also known as glomerulonephritis, can adversely affect kidney function. Fun fact: brain is the quickest part in the human body which grows. Now, let us start next lesson, lesson number 6, books and authors. Complete the names of the authors, poets. Dash Carroll. Answer is Lewis Carroll. Ludwig Dadson, better known by his pen name Lewis Carroll, was an English writer of children's fiction, notably notably Alice Adventure in Wonderland and its sequel. Through the Looking Glass. He was noted for his facility at word play, logic and fantasy. Next poet, Dash Naidu. Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet. A proponent of civil rights, women emancipation, and anti-imperialistic ideas, she was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Sarojini Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi. Next author or poet, Dash Tagore. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, writer, music composer and painter from the Indian subcontinent. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Author of the profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse of Gitanjali, he became in 1913 the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Next author, Jane Dash Austen. Answer is Jane Austen. Jane Austen was an English novelist known primarily for her 6 major novels, which interpret, critique, and comment upon the British landed gentry at the end of the 18th century. Austen's plots often explore the dependence of women and marriage in the pursuit of favorable social standing and economic security. Next author, Dash Shakespeare. Answer is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. Answer the following questions. Which Which was the book that made Jim Corbett famous? Answer is Man Eaters of Kuman. It details the experiences that Corbett had in the Kumaon region of India from the 1900s to the 1930s while hunting man-eating Bengal tigers and Indian leopards. One tiger, for example, was responsible for over 400 human deaths. Next question. Who wrote the Meghdut? Answer is Kalidas. It is considered to be one of the greatest Sanskrit poets. The Meghdut is the lament of an exiled yaksh who is pining for his beloved on a lonely mountain peak. When, at the beginning of a monsoon, a cloud perches on the peak, he asks it to deliver a message to his love in the Himalayan city of Alaka. Next question. Name the author of the classic book Around the World in 80 Days. Answer is Jules Verne. Around the World in 80 Days is an adventure novel by the French writer Jules Verne, first published in French in 1872. Next question. Which Indian poet wrote the song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Sare Jahan Se Acha, formerly known as Tarhan-e-Hind, Anthem of the People of Hindustan, is an Urdu language patriotic song for children in the ghazal style of Urdu poetry. The poem was published in the weekly journal Ittehad on 16 August 1904. Publicly recited by Iqbal the following year at Government College, Lahore, British India. It quickly became an anthem of opposition to the British Raj. Now let us see fun fact. Agatha Christie is the top selling English language author of all time. She wrote 78 mystery novels. Now let us see our next chapter in next period. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.